Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is the afternoon daily weather briefing video. This is for Friday, the 29th of July. I'm James Spann. Got a few showers and thunderstorms around today. We do think most of you, not everybody, but most of you stand a good chance of getting at least one or two decent downpours tomorrow. That should offer the highest coverage of rain over the next 7 days. So let's get in there and talk about it on this Friday afternoon. That's the upper air look across the country today. We've got ridging here. Little trough north of the state coming through the Great Lakes. That's got a surface boundary between Nashville and Huntsville, and that's sagging southward. Check the visible satellite view, and for most of the state, the sky partly to mostly sunny with a few pockets of convection. Check the radar composite about 2:30 this afternoon, and you can see scattered showers and storms across the state. So far, the front is relatively inactive. We'll be watching storms that form over the Tennessee Valley over the next few hours, but really, as of 2:30, the bulk of the showers and storms over the southern half of the state. Heat levels, mostly low 90s. At the left at 2 o'clock, a few upper 80s on the board. And around the region, Huntsville up to 94. But down at Mobile, they've got 84, the same for Dothan because of earlier showers and storms around. Here's a look at the watch warning map through tonight. We've got no issues in Alabama, some heat advisories east and west of the state. Flash flood watches for parts of Arizona, New Mexico, and some of the adjacent states. That's the southwest monsoon. And heat issues back in parts of the Pacific Northwest. We also note a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Virginia, Delaware, and Maryland. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. You can see that risk of severe storms near and south of that front. And the marginal risk does include parts of North Alabama, basically for areas north of a line from near Reform to Gardendale to Piedmont. The area's in darker green. And when storms form over the next few hours, they could be strong with a chance of strong straight-line winds. So keep that in mind. This is tomorrow, Saturday. No organized severe weather expected across the country. And day 3, which is Sunday. A couple of marginal risks well to the east and north of here. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals, again, will likely be for the northern half of the state. Rain amounts there between 1.5 and 2.5 inches. Amounts for the southern counties of the state, mostly between 1/2 and 1 inch. So here we are, almost the end of July, and the tropics remain very calm. We think at some point things are going to break loose out here, but again, for now, sinking air, subsidence, and dry air is keeping things at bay. But the season runs through the end of November, and the peak, latter half of August, September, and the first half of October, and that's yet to come. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Little weakness in the ridge here, and again, with that surface boundary nearby, we should see a number of showers and storms. And again, understand, I can't promise rain for everybody. It doesn't work that way in summer. But some of the probabilistic guidance is pretty high. In fact, the GFS is spitting out a pop. That's probability of precipitation of 95% tomorrow of any one spot getting wet. That's pretty robust for summer. Might be a little too aggressive, but it's not going to rain all day. And again, it's not going to rain everywhere, but a number of showers and storms around. And highs will likely be in the mid to upper 80s. Because of clouds and showers. Heat levels coming down. This is Sunday. Evidence the higher rain coverage will be across the northern half of the state. Again, highs upper 80s, some sun along the way. And next week, the ridge tries to rebuild, just have the typical hot, muggy conditions with a chance of scattered showers and storms. This is day 5, which is Tuesday. Evidence maybe the better shower coverage over the south. Wednesday, showers thinning out a bit. Thursday looks pretty quiet. And a week from today, Friday the 5th of August, 594 ridge building. And it looks hot, muggy, with only a few isolated showers. We'll go out 10 days. This is Monday, August 8th. And again, got the ridge in place here, 594 ridge, centered a little north of here. And again, hot, humid weather with a few pop-up storms around. This is rain for Birmingham coming off the GFS ensemble. You want to look for the green line. That's the mean. And like we've seen for the past couple of weeks, the mean running between 2 and 3 inches between now and mid-August. Heat levels looking this way, coming off the national blend of models. Upper 80s for the weekend, mostly low 90s through all of next week. And hot off the presses, got the brand new CPC outlook. This is for August 6th through August 12th. The most intense heat, most likely a bit north of here. Temperatures around here may be a little above average. So that's it for the afternoon weather briefing video. Don't forget we have a book signing tomorrow in Haleyville, up in Winston County. I was actually there yesterday doing a program for the kids at the library, but tomorrow we'll have a ton of fun. We'll be there from 10 until 1 at the Bliss Bistro downtown. We have all the cool shirts and the hats and all the weather dweeb stuff. And the books, All You Can Do Is Pray, which is the book about April 27, 2011. Weathering Life, story of this guy from South Alabama that's doing weather here that you're watching now. And our book for children, Benny and Chipper, which is a great book, Prepared Not Scared. That's the first in a series of children's weather books. So again, Haleyville, Alabama, Winston County, Free State of Winston, tomorrow from 10 to 1. And another logistical note here, I get 3 vacation weeks a year. And I took one back in late June. The second week is next week that I'll take. So you will not have these next week. We'll still be doing the videos. Scott and Martin will do those, and they won't be live, but they'll be posted here on this YouTube channel. And you can see those, and, of course, on the blog as well. So I will be spending a little time away next week and then back at it after that. So that is it for this afternoon. Thank you guys for watching. If you can, catch some of the notes over on the blog. That's alabamawx.com. And I will be on television this evening. Can join us over there. That's ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.